let us discuss about 4G system. 4G systems are fully IP based wireless network, and these systems are commercially deployed as mobile WiMAX enabled standard and long term evolution standard. The next, see about the features of 4G system. Features of 4G system includes high usability, low transmission cost, personalization and integrated services. High usability in the sense the user can use the system anytime and anywhere. Then low transmission cost. It provides a low per bit transmission cost and maintain the improved spectral efficiency of the system. Personalization and integrated services also provided by the 4G system. Here, the 4G users, service providers will design their personal and customized service for them. The next one, challenges. Challenges of the 4G system includes multi-carrier modulation, signal processing and optimization, smart antennas, security and quality of service, advanced user interaction, web AI services, standardization and regularity. First one, multi-carrier modulation. Here the modulations used are OFDM modulation and then QPSK. OFDM means orthogonal frequency division multiplexing and QPSK quadrature phase shift keying modulation. The challenges in multi-carrier modulation is inter-symbol interference and peak to average ratio. The next one, signal processing and optimization. It includes handling the extremely large number of users, and then noise figure and error correction codings, and the next multi-user reduction. These are the challenges in the signal processing. The next one, smart antennas. Smart antennas means their coverage limitations are the challenges. It is due to the high frequencies which are greater than 5 GHz. The next, here dynamically adjust beam pattern based antennas are used. The next one, security and quality of service. Security in the sense encryption protocols to be used and the trust of information has to be maintained, and for that security and providing quality of services, proper channeling and firewalls to be chosen. The next one, advanced user interactions. Here it provides the improved user interface and advanced speech recognition and flexible displays. The next, web AI services. Smart applications in the web, and it provides a global error correction feedbacks. Standardization and regularity. Here it accesses the routers and spectrum sensing and which type of modulation used, switching the antennas and roaming are to be checked. The next one, applications of 4G system. Applications of 4G system includes virtual presence. Virtual presence in the sense 4G system will provide the user services at all time even if the user is off-site. The next one, virtual navigation. Virtual navigation, here it provides the user with the user can access a database of streets of large cities. It's similar to the Google Map. The next one, telemedicine. Telemedicine 4G will support the remote health monitoring of patients. Example, video conference assistance for a doctor anytime and anywhere. The next one, processing. Here geographical information systems and global positioning systems are used to get the location query. The next one, in the education, 4G will provide a good opportunity to people anywhere in the world to continue their education online in a cost effective manner. Thank you.